Hey everyone, okay, so eyeshadow, the most overrated product ever, in my opinion. I'm not a fan. I don't think it's very good at all. I get why people like it. I get why people use it. I think there's a massive amount of brainwashing involved in it, but it's overrated, overused, and incredibly misunderstood. If you want your eyes to stand out, use mascara. That's what makes your eyes stand out. In fact, fuck it. Don't use mascara, use Lashify. That will make your eyes stand out. It really will. But if you were to use mascara, if you were to use eyeshadow, this is what I like to do. Now, I don't really like to piss around too much with contouring the eye and all that kind of stuff. You can if you want, but it's just a lot for me. Not that I do it myself on myself, but it's a lot. There are other ways. I like a two-toned approach to eyeshadow. Now, this is also based on the prerequisite that you have some form of visible eyelid. That's important. If you have no visible eyelid, this won't work for you. It's going to require two products. First, eyeshadow and also a cream eyeshadow. I'm going to use this one here for the cream. This is by RMS and it's called Halo. Now, I'm also going to be using the Goss E4 brush, which is available from Beautylish. So please, I'll leave a link. They are lovely. Buy it, please. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this product onto the back of my hand. Now, what I want to do is this two-toned approach. Sorry, I got distracted because it's leaking out and that bothers me. By doing a cream and then a powder of a bright shade, something bright and fun, or something that's going to stand out more to the point, something that's a highlight color. By doing it this way, you've got this double approach where you're really hitting vibrancy because you're using the cream as a base for the shadow or the powder, and it's going to give you that whack, that absolute whack of intensity. So do you know what? When was the last time you saw me put eyeshadow on both eyes? Never. There might be a reason for that as well. When I'm doing stuff on you, I can do both sides. On myself, I don't think I'm capable of doing it on the other eye, but we'll see, won't we? So you just want to lay it down. Now, if you've got a heavy lid, yes, there's going to be some of this product that goes onto that lid and transfers up or onto the crease. Don't worry about it. No one cares. The only person that cares is you. It's fine, I promise. Next, you want a nice highlight shadow, something bright. We're going to pick this shade here, I think, because it's kind of pinky and it's going to blend in well. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm just going to get some product onto the bristle, and we're just going to place that now or pat it over this. That's a perfect match. And what we're going to do here is create one beautiful, beautiful highlight like you wouldn't believe. And it's going to ensure that this goes nowhere. That is so pretty. My mirror's quite a way away. That is really, really pretty. Let's try the other side. This is really difficult for someone that is only used to doing anything on the left eye. So we'll just pat and press it onto the eyelid. Remember that this will work as long as you've got visible eyelid space. Now, if you wanted, I'm not going to because I think it's not the best thing. You can highlight the brow bone a little bit if you want. I'm not going to. I don't think it's necessary. But first, what we're going to do is just shape the brow a little bit more. So I'm just combing through it just to kind of see where we are. Then I'm going to go in with a pencil. Now this is Anastasia and this is in taupe and it's the Brow Wiz. And all I'm going to do is just very lightly, with very light strokes, kind of just fill in the entirety. That's it. Be very careful on this bit here, especially if you are a woman. Chances are you are if you're watching this, because if you make this too hard, it can look very masculine. And again, I'm just kind of getting the shape and just lightly going through it. And then just lightly kind of filling the whole thing in gently. And again, I'm just going to kind of brush through it. We're going to use a brow product now anyway, like a gel. So I'm going to use this one here by Merit. I think it's really good. I can't tell you the color. I can, it's taupe. It's taupe. So I'm going to start here in the kind of middle to center part and just extend it and then just gently go in with the rest. I really like the Merit one. I think it's really, really nice. Anastasia one's beautiful as well. But I'm just going to start in the middle, kind of work my way out gently, and then kind of feather it in on this bit. I'll get the clean spoolie end and just brush through a little bit. I think eyebrows are more important than eyeshadow. Just saying in general. I don't know if you can see, but I wanted to show you where you can see where some of it's transferred and moving up. That's only visible if I do this. And since I don't walk around like this, it's fine, nothing to worry about. So all I'm going to do now is curl the lashes and we're going to apply some mascara. So I'm going to take this one here, and this is by Laura Mercier. It's actually not, it's by Shiseido. Don't know why I thought it was Laura Mercier. And I'm going to get the lashes in and I'm just going to squeeze them. Now you can hold this here for a few seconds up to a minute. The longer you hold it, the longer the longevity. But since I'm just going to wash this off, I don't really care. I got a bit teary then because I got a bit of skin on that eye. So what I'm going to do is use this product first, but this is as a primer. So this is 19.99 and it's a really good mascara if you want to look like you're not wearing mascara. So I'm just going to comb it through the lashes 3 times there, just as a primer. So it's really just acting as an agent for what's about to come. So I'm going to use this mascara here by this one. Don't know. I'm not trying to be fancy here because there's no point. My lashes are shit. So there's no point me spending a month trying to make them look like something they're not, because that isn't going to happen. So I'm just going to get product in there, hope for the best. But if you really want amazing lashes, just get Lashify because it is amazing. So that's quite nice. I think I'll do one more coat. I'll be daring. One more coat. And again, this isn't a bad mascara. It's a shame I don't know who it is. Right, so what I'm going to do now is just mattify a bit of this shine. Oh, got a phone call. Okay, so I mattified a bit of the face because there was a lot of shine going on. And that's it, that's the look complete. Now, yes, you have to have visible eyelid space. I know I keep saying it, but it's important. But if you've got some form of visible eyelid space, doing a 2-prong approach with a cream eyeshadow as a base, particularly one that is very long wearing like RMS. And also I'm fond of that because I just think it's a little bit more careful with the ingredients. And then a nice eyeshadow on top to set it, to add that extra sparkle. And that's it, that's the look. Your eyes are standing out. You haven't done anything extreme. You haven't gone all the way up to the eyebrow or done anything, you know, to try and change your eye shape. You're just being you. Your eye shape is fine. And your eyes stand out and things just look really pretty. And the thing with using lots of highlight colors is there's just a plethora to choose from. You know, golds, peaches, bone, anything you want. You can just pick and choose. And this is perfectly, I think, acceptable for day or night. I love it. So there you go. All the information, products used will be in the description bar. Don't forget my brushes are available on Beautylish, so you can definitely go and purchase them there. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it. Excuse me. Oh! And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.